Hey, your landing was better than your dad's.
Yeah, baby! That's what we're talking about!
All right, you guys.
Yeah! Congratulations, Eddie. They thought you looked a little hot.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing. Good job. Good job.
Polly?
Roger. Whoever first,
Jimmy, get in there for another one.
Oh, not more pictures.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We got more water if you want.
Alex, what about Alex? Get Alex in here,
Alex,
dude. He's in here supporting his
lovely.
sister.
Good job, guys.
Awesome.
Okay.
Polly, thank you so much.
You're welcome. We got to do paperwork now.
Why'd you roll with us, though? You a little sweaty, are you? You are officially a pilot, madam.
Do you have time to deal with this? Okay, paperwork.
Yes. Yeah, I know. Not bring.